Here we are just doing a walkthrough to check out the work of IG Parker Stonemasonry and Buxton Constructions at their recently completed Peninsula Kingswood Country Golf Course in Frankston, Victoria. The stone's been supplied by Gosford Quarries and has come in at a 40mm bed thickness. The installation is called for a variety of our Adjustable and SetClip products of varying substrates throughout the build. The variable core stack formation of the sandstone panels is fantastic, contemporary and timeless. A large-scale installation that will definitely add to the prestige of the Peninsula, and a great example of our products and the workmanship of the boys from IG Parker in a high-end private sector build.